Welcome, friends. I'm Jerica, and today I will be prepping for hosting Thanksgiving at my new home that I just moved into. It's been almost a month, and I'm really proud of how the house has come together, so I was incredibly excited to host my first party here. My family is trying what's called a progressive Thanksgiving dinner this year, where the meal is spread out between three houses. Cale and I live so close to both his parents and his brother's family that this kind of dinner not only makes a lot of sense, but will also be a lot of fun, not just for us, but also for my nieces and nephews as well. I took on the appetizer portion of the Thanksgiving dinner, and I'll show you what I decided to make in a bit. But before the food comes the decoration. I am trying to not purchase any new Christmas decor this year, strictly secondhand or handmade only. And I decided to try making a simple table arrangement using the pine boughs on my property. There's been quite a few storms out here in Olympia, Washington, so there was plenty of boughs to choose from. But like I said, we've had a lot of storms, so I needed to dry out these branches first, which I did in front of our fireplace. To keep things easy, I decided to go with a simple crab dip as the main appetizer. This dip can be served hot or cold, though I really recommend trying this hot as it's so good when you bake it. Not only does it come together really fast, but you can even make it the day before to save you time on the day of the party. If you want the link to this crab dip recipe, I have that down below. I mentioned food and decor. Now I want to talk about another important element of hosting, and that's the vibe. And one thing you can't overlook is how your home smells. This room spray is only two ingredients: room spray base and fragrance oil. I have the link to both of these ingredients that I used down below, but it's just so simple to bring them together and to put them into a bottle, and you have your own custom scent that you've curated for your home. Yeah, just make them as you go too. You don't need to.
Take your dog out. Dempsey, come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh, good signal that that's hot. How many words can you use from Thanksgiving? Carrots from the garden there. Okay. Fresh hummus that I made from the garden.
You had me though.
Crab dip from crabs
the garden. From the garden. You had me for a second. On the hummus, I was like, no, my hummus, not from the garden.
You have escargot from the garden?
Ooh, we could. That's a good idea.
And we have a baked pita going with the crab dip.
Yum.
Garlic butter spread on